I'm passionate about the benefits of having a virtual team. And I think that gets to the heart of what you just said, gets to the heart of it, which is people are human beings first, and we have different roles that we play in life.
Yeah.
And many, when you go back 15, 20, 30 years, there was, and in certain cultures, it's still the case where you leave your personal life at the door when you get into the office and that type of thing, which is nonsense, because we want people to bring their whole selves. Now, bringing their whole selves means they bring all their baggage and all their productivity and all their creativity and all their innovation. And what that requires from the leader is, guess what? Leadership. You know, that's the role of the leader, is to understand this person as a person and to be able to figure out, how do I help this person contribute the most that they can contribute? So there's an extra layer of complexity for the leadership, but hey, that's why you get the big bucks as a leader, is to be able to figure out, how do I put this person and these people as a team in a position to be successful?
Yeah. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. So how do you think leaders can do that effectively?
I think it's a mindset change. And to me, it's the difference between management and leadership. Okay. You know, too many people are managers, right? And the face-to-face environment lends itself to management, that kind of command and control. And I need to be there for the people. I need to tell them what to do. I need to be able to answer their questions. I need to know what they're doing all the time. All of that to me is management, it's command, it's control, and it's not conducive at all, as we know, to innovation, creativity, good results, discretionary effort, all the things that make the difference between you and the competition. Leadership is about taking a step back and saying, okay, we're going to create a vision, and whether I create it or whether the team creates it, there are different ways you can do that. We're going to get everyone to buy into the vision, and then I am going to help create the environment that allows people to deliver on this vision. Right? That's a mindset thing. And so many people fail because management is difficult and not very effective in a face-to-face environment. It's horribly ineffective in a virtual environment, because the manager goes nuts trying to figure out, I've heard horrible stories of, like, people spending 80% of their time doing timesheets and stuff like that because the manager just wants to know, what are you doing all the time? It's like, but what's interesting to me is, I think the virtual environment forces you to do your job properly to be successful. And by that, I mean, all of the cracks that you have in a face-to-face environment are magnified. So if the team has problems communicating, it's magnified by 1,000. If there are conflict between personalities, it's magnified. If people are not clear on what we're trying to achieve, it's magnified. If they're not clear on what's my role in what we're trying to achieve, it's magnified. So to me, I think the manager's job has to be laser focused on those things. Why are we here? What are we trying to achieve? What's everybody's role in it? And then what does everybody have that they can contribute? And then you let go and let them go do it.